Hello students, this is Nabila, your EVS teacher from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. I hope you all are good at home. So let's start with a new chapter, that is experimenting with water. In this chapter, we are going to learn about substances that float, sink and mix in water, solubility of water and water evaporation. Let's begin. What floats or sinks in water? Let's carry out an experiment to understand this. Take a transparent bowl and fill it with water. Now place iron nails and empty plastic bottle into it, one by one. You will observe that iron nail sank in water while empty plastic bottle floated. Now the question must be coming in your mind that why do plastic bottle floated while iron nail sank? So the answer to this is plastic bottle is light in weight, that is why it floated, whereas iron nail is heavier, that is why it sank. We can say that substance that is lighter than water will float on water and the substance that is heavier than water will sink in water. Solubility of water. Have you ever tried making lemonade in summer season? It is very simple. You have to mix sugar, lemon juice and pinch of salt in water. Stir them well in water. You will see that all these things disappear in water. Actually, all of them have dissolved in water. When a substance mixes completely in water and cannot be seen, it is said to be soluble in water. That is, sugar, salt, watercolors, and detergents are soluble in water. When a substances mix in water, a solution is formed. A solution is a mixture of two or more things. The medium in which a substance dissolve is known as solvent. The substance that dissolve in a solvent is known as solute. On other hand, there are some substances like chalk, sand, cork, metal parts which do not dissolve in water. They are said to be insoluble in water. Evaporation of water. Water, when heated for some time, becomes hot. This hot water, when boiled, starts to evaporate. Imagine that a person pours some water in a pan and sets it on a gas stove for making tea. Then the person gets busy with some other work and forgets about the water boiling on a stove. It strikes him in a while that he was about to make a tea and he comes running to the kitchen. What does the person see? The water boiling in the pan has reduced so much that it is not enough to make a cup of tea. Why has this happened? This is because water starts to evaporate at its boiling point. How is salt made? Salt is made by the process of water evaporation. Isn't that interesting? Can you guess how salt is made? Well, salt is made from seawater. Have you ever had a chance to taste a few drops of seawater? You will find that seawater is salty. Seawater is collected in shallow beds or salt pans dug in soil and allowed to evaporate in the sun. As the water dries up, the salt gets formed. This is how salt is made from water. Dandi March or Yatra. Dandi Yatra was a march of protest led by Gandhiji in 1930 against the heavy taxes levied by the British rulers on the manufacture of salt. In the pre-independence era, the British did not allow commoners to make salt and impose a heavy tax on salt. They made a law that did not allow people to make salt even at home. To protest against this law, In the greater interest of the common people, Gandhiji organized a long walk from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat. So children, this is all for today. I hope you liked the video. Hope you understood the topics. Thank you for watching.